Hello everyone, my name is Hamza, and in this video we are going to be looking at WP Fastest Cache. Now, what is WP Fastest Cache? WP Fastest Cache is a WordPress plugin, of course, that helps optimize the load time of the pages on our website. The first thing I want us to do is go and install the WP Fastest Cache plugin. So let's navigate to plugins and click on add new. Remember, in our admin dashboard. Now let's search for WP Fastest Cache. WP Fastest Cache. It is loaded, so let's install it. Click on install now. Click install now. It's installing, so let's give it some time to install. Now I want us to activate it. Click activate. And your plugin is activated. Now I want you to navigate to WP Fastest Cache. It's located at the left side of our admin dashboard. So let's click on it. Let's give it some time. It's loading. This is the setup. We are going to, the first tab we are going to be touching is the settings tab. As you can see located at the top, the settings tab. So I want us to click on this cache system enable. Let's enable it. Click on it. Now the second option, which is preload, I want us to click on it also. Click on home page, post, pages, categories, tags, attachments. Let's click on everything. Because what the preload does is that it caches all of the site automatically. All of the site it caches automatically. All the pages, the categories. The next option we have is the logged in users. This logged in users, this option allows you to disable presenting the cached version of your pages to non-users. The cached version of that maybe post or page won't be displayed to that person. That's what the logged in users is all about. So let's click on it. Now we have the mobile, and then don't show the cached version for desktop to mobile devices. So let's click on it. We have the new post and the update post. This new post and the update post is simply telling us that what is telling us to do is that we can cache it can help cache your files when there is a new post or page. So let's click on it, new post. So clear all cache, of course. Click on it. Click on this also. Clear all cache. Click on this. Now the Minify HTML and the Minify CSS. What this does is that it compresses both our HTML and CSS codes. That's what it does. It compresses our HTML and CSS codes, and that can reduce the amount of bytes, which can help speed up the load time of our website. So let's click on it. The next options are the combined CSS and combined JS. What this does is that it combines the CSS and JS files in the head section, which reduces the number of HTTP requests, and that can result in faster page load. So let's go ahead and click on it. Combine CSS, combine JS. The next option we have is the gzip. So let's go ahead and click on the gzip. What does the next option? And what the gzip does is that, okay, let's say we have a file of size 500 kilobytes. With the gzip, that file can be compressed to 150 kilobytes before it will be transferred. That's what the gzip does. The next option we have is the browser caching. What this does is that it stores the commonly used files on your website in your user browser so that it does not have to be loaded anytime the user visits your website, therefore leading to faster load time. So let's go ahead and click on it. The next option we have is disable emojis. If you click on it, let's click on it. What this does is that it disables all emojis in our WordPress website, because normally WordPress it automatically loads emoji in your website header. So let's move on to the next tab, delete cache. Click on it. Now, as you can see, this option is grayed out. It's only available for premium users. But below it, these ones are available for us. If you want to declare all your cache, you can click on this. Don't do it right now, because if you do it right now, it's going to refresh and it will go back to the settings with this checkbox unchecked. So don't do it. The same thing goes for if you want to delete all cache and of course delete Minify CSS / JavaScript. Why timeout rows? If you click on add new row, what this does is that we're going to specify what exactly we want to be deleted. The files we want to be deleted, we're going to specify what type. Is it every, or is it on page, or what does it start with? So after you are done selecting any of these, you're going to this then option, you're going to click on it and you're going to choose the time you want those files to be deleted. And once you're done, you click on save. So the next option, the next tab is the image optimization. This is only available in premium version. The same thing goes for this also. The same, premium. This premium tab is only available for premium version. So click on the next tab, exclude. Now the exclude, if we don't want some pages to be cached, then we can add new rule. If you notice, there are two default settings already. Yes, you can't edit it and you can't delete it. So there's no save option. There are button here. So close it. So if you want to exclude a page, you click on add new rule. If request underscore URL, so you want like which page, if which type, is it post, is it page? If you click on pages, you can see pages and you click on save. Once you click on add new rule, let's say we click on pages and we click on save, it's loading, so give it some time. As you can see, it's loaded and below you see all pages have been excluded, so we don't want that, so let's remove the rule. The next one is exclude user agents. The same thing with exclude pages, but it only applies to user agents. As you can see, contains Facebook, contains LinkedIn bot, contains Twitter bots, can add new rule, and what does it contains? Contains, you put what it contains there, click on save. The same thing applies to exclude cookies. If you have cookies you want to exclude, you can add new rule. Same thing with exclude pages. You can exclude CSS and you can exclude JavaScript. The next step, we have the CDN. The CDN is a content delivery network. The CDN stores your cache files in different locations and helps reduces the amount of time it will take a user to access those files in another country. And finally, we have the last tab here, which is the DB, only available in premium version. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to set up your WordPress website using the WP Fastest Cache plugin. If you have any questions, please comment below, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I post video on WordPress every single day. Peace out.